Wow, all these bags we are made with my own domestic manual machine. If you have an industrial machine, it's an added advantage. Also, you cannot make beautiful Afrocentric looking bags with your own domestic machine. Now we have an online course themed nerdy bag academy training that is on now with a discount of 30% that teaches you how to make Afrocentric bags with just your manual machine. If you have an industrial machine, it's an added advantage. The duration is going to be 4 months. Okay, 3 months for practical teaching and a month for 5 practical design that's going to be done by intended students. Now you're going to be having 3 years access to me, and this is also coming with a lot of bonuses like ebook, detailed ebook, and once you join the group, any update, any new bag design will be added to the ones you already learned. You don't have to pay for them. To learn more on this online class, click on the link in the description box.
It has a place where you can fix your strap, so that means it's going to have 2 handles. Okay, this type of handle and adjustable handle that you're going to fix on the side of the bag.